In this tutorial, we will identify keywords related to your research topic. Now that you have selected a topic, let's consider related keywords to help you find relevant information. Let's use the example of the death penalty. What are some terms related to this topic that you could use? Prisons, convictions, capital punishment, recidivism, execution. Think of these terms as like words that you could use in addition to your original topic. Some are synonyms like capital punishment, and some are related to your topic, like prisons. Now that you have thought of these additional terms or keywords, you can use them to find more refined or specific information about your topic.